Go ahead.
My name is John White. I was diagnosed with uropathy about 8 or 9 years ago. And at the time I was diagnosed, the doctor told me there was really not any treatments that I could do that would help this condition. It just to give me some medication for pain, and he gave me the medication that's used on people that have seizures, and it changed my personality, so I had to stop taking it, and so I went on with doing really nothing that helped me. I couldn't find anything, and I got on the internet back about 6 months ago, and I found Dr. Winstead's website. I checked it out. I came here for his treatments, and she spent about 3 times just running tests on me and to see what I needed to do, and recommended a diet to use to help get away from the sugars in my body that she thought was causing some of the nerve damage that had occurred in my legs. And so I went on the diet, and I lost about 12 pounds the first month. I've been doing the treatment since March, and when I started, it was very hard for me to sleep at night because of the pain and burning in my feet. And after about 6 weeks, I could see a great improvement in the pain. I still have some numbness in my lower legs from my knees to the bottoms of my feet, but the improvement has been so much that my balance is better now, and I can walk without being like I've been dizzy or drunk or something. I have much better balance. So I am real pleased with the way things have gone so far, and I feel like that eventually I'll have be able to recover from this, and it's just been God's blessing that I started this treatment, and I really am thankful for it.
Thank you very much, Mr. John.
Hi, my name is Jessie. I am from Jackson, and I have been having some difficulties with my lower back since 2007 when I ruptured a disc emptying the dishwasher. I was on pain pills for several weeks and then went to a pain specialist and had an epidural, and was doing quite well until I noticed that I was having trouble with my legs. They were restless, terrible cramps, pain, sometimes numbness, tingling, just a myriad of things. Plus, I was experiencing a lot of balance issues, culminating in 2 or 3 falls within the past year, which is very scary. So I was on the internet trying to, several people had asked me if I thought I had neuropathy, which I did not know what that even was. So I was looking up neuropathy and found Dr. Joni. And so I emailed her office, and immediately, I'm telling you, immediately, within the next several days, I had information in the mail from them and an appointment. I've been coming here twice a week. I've been coming to her clinic twice a week from February until I believe, May or June, and May, and then I've been coming once a week. I feel like I've had a lot of improvement, especially with my balance issues. I don't seem to have the pain in my lower back or legs. The cramping actually is better. I still have it some. And my balance issues, I think, are improved greatly because I haven't fallen, but I do have that fear still. I look forward to coming to the clinic because I feel so good after I've left here and feel like I could practically run a marathon, which if you knew me, you would know I couldn't. And I have actually, my dentist is also coming here. I talked to him about it, and he has been a regular patient at Dr. Winstead's clinic since soon after I started coming. So we talk about it, how we feel we've improved, and just what a great environment it is, and how caring Dr. Jamie is and the staff. And if you come, you will notice that as you talk to her other patients, they also are talking about their improvement and how they feel about their treatment here. So I would highly recommend you giving it a try, because it certainly has been beneficial to me. There you go.
Billy Joe Crane, and I'm 68 years old. I've had a stroke back a few years ago, and then I've had back surgery and neuropathy in my legs and all, and I wasn't able to have any. I didn't have any feeling in my legs from the knees down, and I've been to numerous doctors, pain management and all. None of them seem to help. And the treatment that I've got here, I've got feeling from the knees down. It's not 100%, but it's more than I've had, and I've been able to balance myself better. I'm able to move, got better movement and control over my legs, and the pain is not near about as severe.
Good. Now, how long have you been suffering with this condition?
6 years.
Okay. Good. Thank you very much. What would you tell people that was considering maybe seeing Dr. Winstead for the same problems?
I would recommend her highly, because she's been a lifesaver to me.
Okay. Thank you, Miss Billy Joe.